Hello everyone. We are getting into the week of September 14th through the 18th, but not only that, we are getting out of Unit 0 and we are moving into Unit 2. Let's just do this 2. Okay, Unit 2 is survival. So let's hear what the assignments are for this first week of survival. So at the start of every new unit, like this Unit 2, we have academic vocabulary practice. So I'll require different things from every practice, but for this one, there are 10 different words. They all have to do with survival. And then there are, what you have to do with those 10 different words. The first thing is come up with 2 synonyms. Those are words that mean the same. The second one is create your own original sentence. Don't look sentences up off the web. I can tell when you've done that. Don't do it. And thirdly, draw a picture that represents that word as best as you can gather. All right? Okay. And then you're going to read and annotate a terrible decision, the reading that we talked about. You're going to read and annotate a terrible decision, but if you're like, what the heck, what's annotating? Have no fear. Miss Smith has gone and I made a screen recording of myself reading and annotating a terrible decision too. So you can watch that and you can say, okay, well, I can do that. So reading and annotating a terrible decision, and then there are 4 questions afterwards. So those questions are like comprehension questions, and there's one of them that asks you if you agree with a character in the story. But I want you guys to know what annotating is because you're going to have to do it in the next reading, okay? And that next reading is After the Plane Crash and the Cannibalism, A Life of Hope. So you're going to read that and you're going to annotate that one too. It has just as many questions. It's only a little bit longer than a terrible decision. So that one is the one that I want to look at your paper or your reading, and I want to see that you're doing the annotations and you're getting it right, okay? Now, I want to be clear, annotating is a very useful skill, okay? We should be using it all the time whenever we read anything, really. But what is also very useful is turning the question around, TTQA. So I'm also going to post a video on how to appropriately TTQA, turn the question around, because I want you guys to turn your questions around in the answers that you give for those 2 readings. Please and thank you. All right, so this is the first week of Unit 2. I hope you guys like this unit, but per usual, if you need to reach me, email us Smith_C7, email me at any point, or put a private comment up on Classroom. That will also send me an email. But also, I'm available on Google Meet if you want to chat face-to-face anytime between 1 and 3 p.m. Okay? All right, have a great week, everyone.